At SEALEZE, we pride ourselves on solving problems. And when it comes to elevator shafts, that's exactly what our products do. Our brush design solutions are meant to maximize the benefit to our elevator customers by eliminating sounds, air infiltration, and high maintenance costs. These products are specifically designed to withstand the tough environment of an elevator shaft. Their durability is one of the key ways we provide a low-cost solution for our customers. Once installed, SEALEZE brush can last decades without costly maintenance and repairs. Designed and manufactured in the USA, our brush products are known for their top-quality performance. SEALEZE's commitment to quality products leads to a much easier process for you. With pre-drilled holes and fasteners and an easy assembly process, installation is a breeze. Here's how to choose the right brush solution for your needs. First, you'll want to measure the length and width of the elevator door opening. Next, select your door type. Our brush products can work on 2-speed opening doors, side opening doors, or center opening doors. Finally, you'll want to determine the required bristle length. You can choose between 1/2 inch or 1 inch lengths. Let's learn a little more about each door type. On 2-speed opening doors, SEALEZE brush is typically installed on the door header, the sill, and the jambs. The header brush comes with a gap size of 1/2 inch or 1 inch, depending on your preference and needs, and has a 15-degree angle. The jamb brush is installed on the left, right, and center of the door, and the sill brush is installed along the bottom of the door. The sill and jamb brush come with a gap size of 1/2 inch or 1 inch, but unlike the header brush, they are straight instead of angled. On side opening doors, SEALEZE brush is installed on the header, the sill, and the left and right jamb. On center opening doors, our brush is installed on the header, the sill, the left jamb, the right jamb, and both sides of the center opening. Center opening brush comes with a gap size of 1/2 inch or 1 inch, depending on your needs, and a 30-degree angle. An elevator shaft is a tough environment, but you can be sure SEALEZE brush is up to the task. All of our products are designed with our core values in mind: performance, durability, and simplicity. With these qualities, SEALEZE brush gets the job done every time.